In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format numbers as currency, bars, in Google Sheets. If you're working with prices, budgets, or any kind of financial data, applying a clear currency format makes your sheet easier to read and helps prevent mistakes. Let's walk through it in a simple, clear way. First, select the cells containing your numbers. Click on the first cell scale, then drag to highlight the rest of the range you want to format. If your data lives in an entire column, you can click the column letter at the top to select all cells in that column. You can also hold Shift and click to select a large block, or use Control or Command to select separate ranges. Take a second to make sure you've only selected the values you actually want formatted, typically not the header labels. Next, go to the top toolbar. This is the horizontal strip above your sheet with icons for common actions like bold, alignment, and number formatting. We're heading there because it gives you the fastest way to apply currency without digging through menus. If your browser window is narrow, some buttons may be tucked under a More button with 3 dots. You can expand it to see the full set of icons. Now, click the Pfeiffer icon. In most Google Sheets setups, this button applies a default currency format based on your spreadsheet's locale. When you click it, Sheets will instantly add a currency symbol, insert thousand separators, and display 2 decimal places. This doesn't change the underlying numbers, it only changes how they appear, so formulas, calculations, and totals will continue to work exactly the same. At this point, your numbers are now formatted with currency symbols and decimals. Take a quick look to confirm the results. You should see the currency symbol in front of each number, commas separating thousands, and values rounded to 2 decimal places for a clean, consistent look. If a value didn't change appearance, it might be stored as text rather than a true number. Common clues include left-aligned values or a small indicator in the corner of the cell. In that case, make sure those entries are actual numbers before applying the format again. That's all there is to it. Select your cells, go to the top toolbar, click the $sign, and you're done. It's a small step that makes a big difference in readability and professionalism. Thanks for watching, and enjoy cleaner, clearer financial data in your spreadsheets.